Okay, continue with solving trigonometric equations. Given two terms multiplied equals 0. So we're going to separate the two terms. One of them must be 0. So we'll say that square root of 2 secant x minus 2 equals 0. And we know that 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0. And this side we add 2 to both sides. Add 2. Then the square root of 2 secant x equals positive 2. Then we divide by square root of 2. Then secant x equals 2 divided by square root of 2. Since in our calculator we don't have direct calculation to secant, we could flip it. And sometimes we don't need calculator if it's famous angle. So secant is 1 over cosine. 1 over cosine is 2 over square root of 2. Then you could reciprocal both sides. Cosine x equals square root of 2 over 2. This is the property of isosceles triangle, if you remember. If you multiply by square root of 2, then it will be 1 over square root of 2. Okay. So this angle must be 45 degrees. Okay, again, let me explain more. If you multiply by square root of 2, numerator and denominator, then numerator will be 2, square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. Divide by 2 square root of 2 and then cancel that with that. So cosine will be 1, which is adjacent, divided by square root of 2, which is hypotenuse. Right? The reason for making it like that, because we want to know where A is adjacent, where A is hypotenuse easily, for not confusing. So if we have our circle here, okay. Place more extension to it. Okay. Yeah. Then y-axis, x-axis, good. And we might need another one here. Copy. Okay, needed for the second angle. Okay, so where is cosine? Cosine could be in first because all are positive. We have positive here. Or in fourth. All sine only here is positive. Tangent only here is positive. So our area could be in first square or in last square, fourth. And if you want to like draw this, we draw. Let's purple. Okay. This is one, and this is another one. Yeah, good. Okay. So if this is our x here, adjacent must be 1, hypotenuse is square root of 2, and the opposite, as you know, is 1. It's a isosceles right triangle in first square. And the same with the second square. Flip this over it, and we have two solutions here. So we have two solutions here. Our angle is 45 degrees. If you want to like convert it to radian, solution. So our angle, we could say cosine x equals arc cosine of 1 over square root of 2. That's the form that could be two solutions. First solution is in first quarter, which is 45 degrees. You could say 45 degrees plus 360 n or k. If you want to make it in 45, to make it as in radian system. So we know that pi divided by 4 is 45 degrees. So you could say it's pi over 4 plus, and instead of 360, we make it 2 pi k. This is one of the solutions here in this section. The second solution, that our 45 will be in here. Third, let's imagine it with me here. Very quick here. This is our angle here. Okay, so it will be in here 45, and as we learn, it's 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45, or 360 minus 45. 45 degrees. 360 minus 45. And 360 minus 45 is 315. So it could be 315 plus 360k. Or you could convert it to radian system. So x equals 315, which is 45 times 7. Yeah, it's 7. So it's 7 of 45. So this is 7 times 45. And we know that 45 is pi over 4. So it will be 7 pi over 4 plus 2 pi k. Until now, we have the first section here, the first term that we have. Okay. The second term will be easier a little bit. We have 2 sine plus 1 equals 0. So subtract minus 1. So 2 sine equals negative 1. And then you're going to divide by 2. Sine equals negative a half. Good. So as we learned before, x equals arc sine or inverse sine of negative a half. Okay. And sine of a half is 30, but where is sine? So remember, sine of 30 is a half. Sine of 30 degrees is a half. So we need to know where is exactly our 30. Okay. All right. So we know now it's 30 degrees. We need no more action regarding this angle. It's 30 degrees, but where? Our sine is negative. Where is sine a negative sign? Here? No. Here? No. We know sine is positive. So it should be in third and fourth. So if you draw 30 degrees in third, in here, this is not 30 degrees. Remember, it will be pi plus 30. Pi plus pi over 6, because 30 is pi over 6. So the first solution, x equals 30 degrees plus pi, 180. It will be 210. 210. So it's 210. You have to mention that. 2 pi k. Okay. Where is the negative sign again? Negative sign, it will be in here too. Negative sign. Not perfect. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30. So the position for the second angle is 360 minus 30, which is 330 degrees. So it could be x equals 330 degrees plus spin around, completed circle means 2 pi, and again another circle, 2 pi, or 360. Remember, we are in degree system, so you could say 360 here, degrees, 360 k or n. Now we could express it to radian system, would be 330 degrees converted to, let's do it here. This is good. Yeah, 330 degrees here. So 330, if you divide it by 30 itself, 30, how many 30 we have? 0, 0, 11. So it's 11 times 30. So it's 11 times 30. We know that 30 is pi over 6. So it will be 11 pi over 6. So x equals 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k. When we have sine or cosine, we'll mention 2 pi k. That's it.